Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilham Miftahul Arifin Sugianto with NPM 250820101128 from class C600. Today, I would like to review a movie that is very popular and meaningful. The title of the movie is Parasite. Parasite was released in 2019 and directed by Bong Joon-ho. This movie tells the story of two families who come from very different social classes. One family is poor and the other family is very rich. At first, the story looks simple, but as the movie continues, it becomes dark and more intense. Parasite is a mix of drama, thriller, dark comedy, and social criticism. The film became very famous and won 4 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, becoming the first non-English language film to achieve this honor. The story of Parasite starts with the Kim family, who live in a small semi-basement house and struggle with money. One day, the son, Ki-woo, gets a job as an English tutor for a rich family called the Park family. Slowly, each member of the Kim family gets a job in the Park house by lying about their identity. The Park family doesn't realize that all the works are related. In the first half, the movie feels funny and light. However, in the second half, the story suddenly becomes dark and tense. The biggest turning point is when a secret basement is discovered under the Park family's house. From this moment, the movie changes into a thriller. The ending of the movie is tragic and shocking. It shows that moving to a higher social class is not easy and often impossible. Even though the movie focuses on social issues, the characters are very strong. Ki-taek, the father of the Kim family, represents people who work hard but are still trapped in poverty. He loves his family but feels frustrated with his life. Ki-woo, the son, is full of hope. Ki-woo, the son, is full of hope. He believes that education and effort can change his future. The Park family represents rich people who live comfortably but do not understand the lives of poor people. They are not bad people, but they are careless and distant. The acting in this movie is excellent. Song Kang-ho, who plays Ki-taek, gives a very emotional performance, especially near the end of the film. The director Bong Joon-ho shows great skill in telling the story. The cinematography clearly shows the difference between rich and poor. The Kim family's house is small and dark, while the Park family house is big, clean, and bright. Stairs are shown many times in the movie. Going up and down the stairs represent the difference between social classes. One important sense in the rain scenes. For the rich family, rain is not a big problem, but for the poor family, it destroys their home. The music in Parasite is simple but very effective. The soundtrack helps create tension and uncomfortable feelings. In many scenes, silence is used to make the moment more intense. The music supports the story without taking too much attention from the scenes. The main theme of Parasite is social inequality. The movie shows that poor and rich people live in very different worlds. Hard work alone is not always enough to change someone's life. Another theme is lying and pretending. The Kim family lies to survive, while the Park family pretends not to see social problems. The movie also used the idea of smell to show how poor people are judged and treated differently. Overall, the movie tells us that social classes create invisible walls between people. In my opinion, Parasite is a very powerful and unforgettable movie. I really like how the movie combines entertainment with a strong message. It's a funny, scary, and sad, At the same time, the story is well written and very scenes feels important. One weakness of the movie is that it can be emotionally heavy, especially at the end. However, this is also what makes the movie meaningful. I strongly recommend this movie to people who like movies with deep message. To conclude, Parasite is an excellent movie with a strong story and clear message. The movie teaches us about social classes, inequality, and human behavior. It doesn't give an easy answer, but it makes us think about really problem in society. For this reason, I give Parasite a final rating of 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Please share your opinion in the comment. See you in the next video. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
뭐야, 소독해? 창문 닫아.
나도 봐. 공짜로 집안에 소독도 하고.
부모님 얼굴도 뵙고 좋더라. 건강들 하시고.
일거리가 없으셔도
네가 내 대신 얘 과외 선생님 좀 해줘라. 영어.
대학생인 척하라는 거야?
구라를 좀 치지 뭐.
넌 이 좋은 실력으로 왜 미대는 맨날 떨어지냐?
아이씨, 죽을래.
저는 이게 위조나 범죄라고 생각하지 않아요.
참으로 시의적절하다. 부자들이 원래 참 잘 속아.
사모님이 뭐랄까.
풀타임으로 수업 어떻게 하시는지. Is it okay with you? 우리 다송이는 완전 예술가 재질인데.
침팬지를 그린 거죠?
자화상이에요.
역시.
그동안 미술쌤도 여러 명 바꿔가면서 해봤는데요.
제가 사람 하나가 휙 하고 떠올랐는데.
아 잠깐. 제시카 외동딸 일리노이 시카고 과선배는 김치모 그는 이사촌.
부자인데 착하다니까.
진짜 니가 착한 거지. I'm deadly serious.
근데 지금 진짜로 이상한 게 뭔 것 같아.